How to use brand kit in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the Canva homepage, click on brand in the left-hand panel. Inside the brand kit, you can add your brand colors by clicking add a color. You can enter hex codes, select colors from the color wheel, or add multiple colors to match your brand palette. Next, you can upload your brand fonts. Canva allows you to select heading, subheading, and body fonts for your brand. You can choose from Canva's library or upload your custom fonts if you have a Canva Pro account. You can also upload your brand logos. Click Upload Logo, select files from your PC, and Canva will store them for easy access in your designs. You can upload multiple versions such as color, black and white, or transparent logos. Once your brand elements are added, you can easily apply them to any design by accessing your brand kit while editing. This ensures your designs remain consistent across social media, presentation, marketing materials, and more. Now you know how to use brand kit in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.